baker's math. Boring, uninteresting, and unnecessary. Or the most important thing that you need to know about in order for you to be successful. When I started baking with sourdough, I thought it was fun to just do rock and roll. Throw things in, add a little bit of this, add a little bit of that. Feel the dough. I have my feelings. Taste it. Everything's gonna be great. And when you do rock and roll like that, the end result is also rock and roll. You don't know what's going to end up. You don't know what the end result will be. You will just have to see a day later or at the end. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not. Who knows? But then I discovered baker's percentage, and I realized that there is a way to take away the chance out of it. Take away the rock and roll and put in some structure, put in some predictability into the baking. And also being able to scale your recipes up or down as much as you want. And that changed a lot how I moved forward with my baking experience, and also made sure that I could start baking breads professionally. Okay, so now you wonder, what is it? What is baker's percentage? Well, in the bakery we have this awesome, wonderful ingredient called flour. That is our main ingredient. And for a baker, it comes natural to say that flour is one full part, and one full part is 100%. But what it all comes down to is that we break down the recipe into smaller parts, which makes it easy to calculate every ingredient. Now, all the other ingredients, they will have a relationship to the flour now. Meaning, if we say that the water content, for instance, is 70%, that means if we have 100 grams of flour, it will be 70 grams of water in the dough. And when we scale up and down with our recipes, this relationship will be static and follow up and down. So for instance, if we raise the flour content to 200 grams, we would need to have 140 grams of water in the recipe. It's static. The 70% relationship between the water and the flour is always static. But then when we go up and down in the weight, we follow the same relationship. So you could say that the weight changes, but the relationship stays the same between the ingredients. So why do you need to know this as a beginner? Well, I think it's very important to know this, because you need consistency to get better. And consistency you can only get by using a consistent method. And baker's percentage is just that. It makes everything consistent and reliable. You can scale up and down with the weight. You can make more or less, and you can also change if you need more salt in your dough. If it's not salty enough in the end, next time you bake, you just add a little more percentage units to the recipe and you have a more salty dough. And it's the same if you have a sticky dough. Then you have to maybe put down the water a little bit, the water content. Makes it easier to work with. Use consistency throughout your whole process. Also use the same flour all the time until you get really good. And then start experimenting.